Cats are the best kind of alarm clock that anyone could ask for, because they won't only wake us up, but also give us an instant dose of energy. Let's watch today's video to find out how great this clock is. Kitty knows that Mommy's going to be late, so Kitty decided to comb Mommy's hair while trying to wake her up. This clock may wake you up in the very early morning, but you can't be upset when they make up for you with all those kisses. Please, Kitty, no one wants to be woken up with a nearly heartbreak experience in the morning. No one could even sleep again when there's a furball trying to eat their hair like this. Someone teaches this kitty a safer way to wake a human up, please. The classic way of making a human stay awake: annoy them. This cat has such a gentle, lovely way to tell a human to get up. Nothing could make you wake up faster than feeling a small, wet tongue licking your forehead. Tickle human with tail will take a little bit longer to wake them up, but always works wonders. It's almost impossible to sleep when there is such an adorable creature jumping on you like this. This cat doesn't wake human up, he just doesn't let his human sleep.
Trying to sleep here. Yes.
Telling human it's fine to start a new day with snuggles is just so sweet.
Well, I was going to sleep in, but I guess that's not an option.
For Cat, waking a human up is an important job that needs a lot of calculation. This kitty knows exactly how to wake human up in the sweetest way possible. When those little sharp teeth bite you, you will be waken up from all of your dreams immediately.
You bite on me.
This cat will ace in every physics class at school. Let me wake you up by washing your face. Save time for you. When the sight of your cat means it's time to wake up, so you decide to not look at it anymore. Sometimes human will pretend to sleep to see how cats struggle to wake human up.
Good morning. Mwah. Hey.
Your cat may wake you up in the middle of the night
I'm awake.
just to give you a kiss. So be prepared.
Okay.
Good morning.
No matter how busy we are, there'll always be time to snuggle with a kitty in the morning. Give your human a massage, not her blanket, silly little kitty.
This shit's cute, but why does she always gotta be in my face, bruh? Why?
It's bright daylight and you're still in your bed? Lazy human, wake up and feed me. If only every cat could be this affectionate and gentle. Never underestimate the power to make us happy of a wet nose. I will lick you until you wake up, human. A few love bites like this will kickstart a new day for human.
Oh, you freak!
Cats are really creative when it comes to finding a way to wake human up. The reason why some humans stay on bed, even after they're awake, is to receive these love bites. Sometimes it's alright if the owner decides to stay on bed all day, so they could each hug each other like this without interrupting. Is this cat trying to find the turn on button on the owner's body? If a 3-pound ball of happiness is sitting on your face like this, waking up will never be so hard anymore. What about your cat? What do they do to wake you up? Tell us in the comment. Thank you.